That's red. Okay, just kidding. Welcome back to BARANTHECUTE 77. That's what I spelled. Baran the Cute 77. Okay, so I'm on the throne right now, the heart throne. Okay, so basically my screen is glitching basically. So basically we gotta go out to town because Santa's coming to town. Just kidding. Complete 30 needs on a rare pet. 2 already? I thought I did a billion. Make a neon pet. I thought that said mega neon pet. Help another player decorate their house with build with friends workbench. Today I'm gonna try to complete all these tasks except for make a mega neon pet. Buy an egg from the gumball machine in the nursery. You've got to be kidding me, bro. I only have $65 and how am I supposed to get $700? I can't get the thing, the garden eggs today. And I already have this because someone traded it for me for free. Don't crash. Basically, it just crashed. And no one saw that because I already have my driving license. But I basically have my trade license. Let me share it right now. It's right here. What a beauty. Wait, what? What? Okay, so I gave her stickers and a pet for a mouse. And I gave my bestie stickers for nothing. And a random person pet and toilet paper for her pets. And I gave these zombie chicks, 2 zombie chicks and a ghost chick for 2 pets. And 1 thing for nothing, 1 thing for nothing, 1 thing for 1 thing, cat bat, whatever that was called. And I gave 3 things for a thing that I thought was a pet. 1 thing for 1 thing. Oh, that was my dad's account. He traded it for me for free. And this one. Wait, what's this? Oh, yeah. I have a billion trades already. I'm gonna go to the first trade I've ever had an Adopt Me. Let me see. 2 donkeys. Only for a sandwich. Yeah, those totally worth it because I hated donkeys. Because they're super not smart. You've got to be kidding me. You're sick and you need the potty and we need a ride and we need a billion things right now, girl. Puppy. Rabbits. Ladybug. Miracle. Okay. I'm totally not gonna sing that garbage song. Wait, I wonder what happens if the car goes on ice. Is it gonna skate on ice? Oh, it's floating on ice. See? See, it always floats. I never noticed that. Ah! Yeah, this totally does not fit. I'm doomed. Okay, whatever. Just why am I still holding my trade license? Oh, it's freezing. Flip. I'm gonna skate. It's actually weird that this year they didn't put gingerbread for the update of the ice. Well, once it happened, the update of ice came somehow, even though it wasn't even really cold. Yeah. I'm doing giant flips. Impressive. How do the skate lines not stay? Gift, my mouse is precious. Gift, I don't have enough money to give to Santa. Can't chat or see chat. That's basically me. Look how cute! That was the longest thing I've ever said on Earth. Please give it to me. Please. Everybody cross one of your fingers for me. Please. Please. Straight. Please. I'm crossing my fingers. Did you know if you do 2 fingers or more, it's bad luck? Please. Ease. When it is missing like sheep. Who likes the mouses? They're just too cute to be alone. Did you guys hear that? I bet you did. Or okay. It's my time to shine, girl. Did you guys hear that? Did you just hear that? Sounds suspicious, right? What? Did you? Did you guys just hear the thing I heard? I said heard. You've got to be kidding me. I'm out of here. You got to be stopping. I'm going to your party. Save me. Ooh, trading. Save me, girl. Save me. Please save me. Who is it? Whoever's on the phone, I got to get. I'm getting jump scared. Now I'm getting goosebumps. My screen is glitching now. Someone has to be hacking me right now. Oh no. I'm leaving the server. Bye-bye, server. Did you hear that right now? I literally got goosebumps. Ooh, I love slime. Let's sell slime to rule the world. My friend Nora loves slime and she's so rich. She has a Oh, look at you.
Breaking news. The leading slime production company has gone bankrupt and their factories are available for free. Call in now to claim one before anybody else. This is Bloxy Nation 447 signing off.
Ooh, breaking news. Congratulations on your free slime pack. Why did he say let's play this? We're already playing this. I never made it. I'm gonna put the screen here. Did you see it? You. Listen to this slime girl. Let me keep. I want slime. Yes, you can have 25. Yes. 25 already. My worker is my friend. Cool. Stuff. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's my friend Emma. Okay, I'm gonna say their names. Emma, Lynn, Daria, and yeah. This is getting way faster. Now I have a gigantic one. Not gigantic. Dirty and stuff. Okay, I only have 3 slimes at my house. And those 3 slimes, one that my friend gave me and another one I bought, and the other one this friend gave me. In real life, not in Roblox and stuff. Okay. You done? Faster, faster, faster. Chop chop. I'm your manager. You wanna get fired? Oh, ooh, now. Perfect. Wait, is that Ian again? Yeah, totally. Emma, Ian. Oh yeah, Ian. Okay, so yeah, now I have to resell this one. See you later, suckers. Oh my god! Did you just see what in the whole entire poopy world just happened? Wait, are these people? I really don't want slime. Then just go away. I'll give you 20. Why does no one want to have slime? Ooh, money. Free money. I'm gonna find free money on the map. So. 60. Oh! 60. completed. 66, yes, thank you, girl. Wait, I got 66, not 83. Oh yeah, I got, what am I doing right now? Finally, I have Yes. But it was $50. Okay. Stuff. Chewing stuff. Yeah. I keep saying in stuff because I never said it before. Just kidding. I said it before, but not much. The last time I said stuff was like 3 years ago. Not lying. What color is it? Purple again. Perfect. It's the most perfect thing. Okay. Purple. Are they different songs? Have no clue. I have no idea. Basically different, right? Ooh, slime. Oh, it's not slime, it's feathers. And what the hell is this face staring at us? For normal slime. Oh, these are normal slimes. I have normal slimes at my house. You're really making me buy your slime, I guess. Okay, she does not like slime. So, I thought that was... Wait, we can show it to people. Oh, they're not people. Give me more slime, please, please, please. Okay, I'm totally gonna give you more slime, and now I have 218. Yay, thank you, I. Random guy. Money, 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 money. Money, 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 money. I'm coming for your money. Ew. Yeah, I'm totally gonna have money. I need money. Buildings, give me money for free. I need $200,000. That's totally more than 20? Or 20? 20 plus? What? I was in a factory. My bestie! Okay, never mind. My bestie loves slime, but this one doesn't look like my bestie. She just got eaten. And let me see if she changed her shirt. But she just changed her shirt. She really doesn't. But the slime she gave me, she doesn't like. Slime, more slime, please, please, please. Haven't deleted friends from school. Okay, the whole time I'm gonna be throwing and taking slime. Ooh, Emma. Do I look like I want slime? I guess you can have some. Ah! You're kidding me, right? Okay, let's see what I have. I'm gonna play a restocker. Wait, got it. Ian's working for me like 4 times. Okay, literally. Oh, that's too cut. I never saw it. Okay. 26. Oh, it's different colors. Okay, this is the girl that wanted. She wants more slime. Okay, I guess. Here, girl. Dude, I don't want more slime. You're slime. What? I just wanted more slime like 2 times. You've got to be kidding me. I'm getting poor. Just do the last bit. I love this slime. This is basically my dad. Please stop with the slime. You're so slime. My dad hates slime, but he likes slime. Only 90. I meant 20%. 20%. Okay, I'm gonna go as far as I can. I'm gonna show it to this person. Okay, I'm gonna show it to her. How much did she give me? I have no idea. Bye-bye, $200. Hello. We stuck it. Hello, worker 4. Next up, we stuck it. 5 slimes as far as I went. I got only 5 slimes. That's lame. Okay, I'm gonna go even further, I guess. I'm gonna bump into you, man. Girl. I'm only selling girls. I'm gonna sell Emma. I'm gonna sell Ian. He was my worker. Okay, $26. Not bad, not bad, not bad. You, why did you step on garbage? Hi, girl. Are you trying to sell me nothing? Sorry, girl. You're the randomest girl on earth. Wait, they say the same things. Let me see her. Wait, I'm only higher level than her. I mean, goblin. Didn't get me. Second stalker. Okay, so there's something. Oh! I finally found it. 9. Okay, girl, I'm telling you fun. 48. You are totally nice. Selling spider. Yay, that car didn't bump me. Wait, why do I have slime in my hand? Oh yeah, these parts too. These parts also. Why did I even say sorry? No idea. For buying that, probably because of buying that. Okay. Faster! So you do want me to bonk your head? Okay. Right now, finish. Faster. Or else you're gonna get bonked on the head a billion times. Wait, I used Dario, the worker, for like 3 times, and I used Ian for like 1 time. Even Ferdy 4 times. Okay, last time. Done. Boom. 8 normal slimes. Wait, the normal slimes don't have any emoji. I'm telling it from that guy again. It's like Emma again. She likes slime. Ooh, 309. Thank you, Emma, so much. You're the best. What? This video was like 20 minutes? Yeah. Bruh. As soon as I said thank you, the random car just came in and killed me. Guy, I hate you. And they can only go up 60. Wow, that's a rip. I have no idea what this spells. Yes, he gives me money. Okay, I'm afraid I have to say. Can you guys read this? If you can, just what am I doing? Turn the volume down. If you can't, turn the volume up so you can hear me. So, have you done it? It says goodbye. Okay, whatever. Bye. See ya later, alligators. What? This is 2 minutes?